श्री रावटा शशि श्रीमती रावटा सहित அவர்களின் குமாரத்தியுமான சௌபாகியவதி ராவடா சுஜனாவை ஆணிக்கிரகணம் செய்து கொள்வதாக மேற்படி சுபமுகூர்த்தத்தை நடத்தி கொடுத்து தம்பதிகளை ஆசீர்வதித்து எங்களையும் கௌரவிக்க வேண்டுமாய் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன். இப்படிக்கு சந்திரசேகர்.
We met 6 years ago in 2016. He was a third year student and I was a second year. I just entered second year management school. I went to SRM for a workshop and he was a volunteer. He taught me suturing and me and my friends thought he was very cute and we all wanted to talk to him, meet him. Somehow he found out. And the next day he took us out for coffee, he was being a gentleman and we were floored. And then fast forward to 5 years later, I met him in Balaji when I joined PG. And we became all pop and hot and just really good. And we were like, wait a second, we know each other. And we started talking and we fell in love. And we're getting married now.
That's a race against my past. Whenever they clock me, that's 2,000 on the dash. Winning kinda tickles me, and every day I laugh. Yeah, you know we number one, and you don't need to ask. I got the magic, feel like I'm a greyhound looking at a rabbit. Finish line so close, I reach out and grab it. I only look back just to look at your reaction. Can't stop when we start, we get it done. Take no days off, we number one. Lace up these kicks, and we run. Like this, we gon' get it done. We gon' get it done.